Hello, my name is Yunus. I'm a founder of Bharat TeleClinic, and here's my co-founder Devang Bhai.
Hello.
Hey, so here's the thing we are here to explain you that we are solving the few problem of the healthcare industry. Currently, 80% of Indians right now, when they fall sick, the first they go to medical store and they consult, they share their concern with the pharmacist, and then the pharmacist actually hand over the OTC medicine. Now, here's the second problem, that pharmacies actually don't want those kind of a customer without prescription. They want patient with prescription so that they can have a higher order value. Now they are cutting 20 rupees OTC medicine and they are handing over. So now the second problem is the pharmacy wants a prescription cells, and the patient also want a doctor inside the medical store. So we have supplied the doctor in medical store. Let me explain you how. So here's a solution for the patient. So on this device, we are deploying this telemedicine device on a video call. So technically there is a camera, there is a microphone to have a private conversation and every single thing. How does it work? So it's like a Ola Uber model. So the moment you click on the general physician, you put your name, say for example your name, and then just a second, name, and then you put your mobile number, say okay, and then you put your age, then your male, and then you accept. Just a second. Then it goes. Then the OTP comes. So the OTP, I have received already the OTP. So here's the OTP. After the OTP is done, then the payment will happen. Then here's I generate the payment. I scan the QR code. Just a second. I scan the QR code, and here's I pay. So once the payment is confirmed, then call goes to all the available doctor on the platform. So whichever the doctors are available right now, let's say some doctors are busy on the OPD, so then here's how it all works. So here's you can see all different type of doctors, they answer the phone, and then the moment they answer, let's say put it this way, I'll just answer one of the doctor. Let's say the doctor answers the phone, accept the call, and the moment is accept, the call goes here on a video call. So when the doctor sees the video, patient also sees the video, and all this, and then whole thing works this way. You can see on my screen right now. So here's the whole thing works, and then after that, doctor actually put the prescription on my phone. You can see here, let's say prescription, add the medicine, I add the drug. So the drug name is let's say not the brand name, but it's just molecules you decide, and then you put a dosage. Let's say 250 ml for example, 250 mg for example, that kind of a dosage. The frequency you select, and then duration, maybe let's say 6 days you go for it, and then the instruction after the meal for example. And there are some of the extra notes. Let's say take it with water for example, take it with water. This is how it works. I save my prescription, drug save prescription. I send the prescription to patient, and then just a second, and the prescription goes to the patient here. So patient can see the prescription, and then same time the prescription will be received here on the patient here, and then the doctor actually, so the call ended this way. So technically the prescription goes to pharmacist, and also prescription goes to the the patient also on a WhatsApp. And here's the thing, so the medical store wants to receive a prescription on the molecules or composition basis, because the kind of sometimes the medicines are available, sometimes the medicines, the brand name is not available, the brand is not available. So we use generic name for these particular molecules and the composition. And another thing, here's the additional stuff. So we also give a kind of a platform to the medical store owner, that they have an advertisement platform. So wherein when the device is not in use, at that point of time we play our partners, our brand partners advertisements on the device, and that is highly visible on the medical store side. And then we also have a couple of more devices we are working on. This is like a telemedicine device for the medical camp especially. So the hospital clients, they purchase this device from us, and then we work around with them. We also have additional device which is Nadi Parikshan and all those other devices we are working on right now. So there's no limit. There are a couple of more devices, but we are first going to try and roll out this device first, so that we can take it further one by one. That's it. Thank you so much. Behind this execution, we have entire team. Here's the sales and marketing, and then say hi. So here's our sales and marketing team, who works very hard. Right now, we are launching in Maharashtra, across Maharashtra, and we are reaching out whole India very soon. But we are starting with the Maharashtra. Then we have a backend team who's working on a software development and the whole sort of like a hardware development, API, app, and every single thing. That's it. And thank you so much for watching the video, and see you soon.